Assalamu alaikum everybody, and peace be upon you all. Welcome back to our channel, Hyderabadi Cook in Canada. Today, we will be making funnel cake. For this recipe, you will be needing 1 egg, half a tablespoon of baking powder, 1 cup of sugar, chopped strawberries, 1½ cup of all-purpose flour, and milk to bind the mixture, half a cup of powdered sugar. Firstly, to the flour, mix in 1 whole egg, the baking powder, some sugar, and milk. Whisk well. The consistency should be like this. Very thin and runny. Now let's prepare the strawberry sauce. In a pan on medium heat, add in your strawberries, now we're adding in 6 tablespoons of sugar, but you can do this according to your taste. Now pour in some water. Mix until soft. Once the strawberries are soft, add in a cornstarch and water mixture to thicken the sauce. For more flavor, you can add in strawberry jam or strawberry syrup. It should form a thick paste. Transfer the mixture to a bowl. Now, place a piping bag in a tall glass and pour in your mixture. Once the funnel cake is ready, top it with ice cream. Top it with ice cream and the strawberry sauce. Also dust it with powdered sugar. And you're done! Please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and comment down below any other recipe ideas that you'd like to see from us next. Thanks for watching, and enjoy! Please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and comment down below any other recipe ideas that you'd like to see from us next. Thank you so much for watching, and enjoy!